Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love and Light. Friends, what is your legacy? It can be a very broad perspective when I just say legacy. Let me share a tool with you to see what is your legacy. Are you proud of your parents, of the legacy they gave you? I'm not talking of the property they bequeathed to you. Are you proud of the values they gave you? The second point is, are your parents proud of you as a child in terms of your integrity, your sincerity, your honesty? Third point, do your children look up to you? On this three scale, everything is interconnected. You will know what is your legacy, where do you stand in terms of your legacy. So, how do we get there? Do you advise your children? Most parents do. Okay, we advise children, but do they listen? Do they listen? And do they follow? Do they like it? I'm sure it's a big no. No. Okay, do you like your parents advising you? Did you like it as a kid? I don't think so. Do you like it now? I don't think so. Then how do we think our children would like the advice that we give? Anytime anybody giving advice we feel is the best thing that we are doing, but anybody who's receiving it feels that's bullshit. I'm sorry, but that's the brutal truth. Then you might come up with a question, then how do we guide our children if we don't advise them? How are they going to learn? And I have spoken about legacy. How do we instill that legacy? How do we pass on that legacy? Friends, remember, children do not listen, they rather watch. They watch what you and I as a parent are doing, and that is where they learn. For example, if we are breaking a rule, a simple rule where we don't wear a helmet and think we can get away from the traffic police by going in the small bylanes, or if we think we are very strong and the mask is very uncomfortable, so I'm not going to go out with a mask on, or if I think I can cook up a reason to sneak out of the house when there is a lockdown announced. When we are breaking rules, remember our children are watching us. And later on, they might become someone who will break the law and get into major troubles. So, what moral voice will we have to tell our children that they will land up in trouble? Let us not say the path of right and wrong, those are very big terms. At least the path of safety. How are we going to steer them there? Consider this, if a leader of a political party cannot follow the norms issued even in these challenging times and goes on to a pompous celebration, where is empathy or the moral responsibility for the welfare of the people? There are the medical fraternity, the police people, the cleaning people who are risking their lives for people like you and I. Can we just not respect that instead of putting pressure on the system? So, already the pandemic is teaching us a very valuable lesson that, if I have to put it in straight terms to you, the pandemic is telling us, I do not discriminate between the rich and the poor. I kiss them alike. I do not differentiate between the healthy and the infected, the strong and the weak, the young and the old. I embrace them all together. I don't discriminate. Despite all this, if we still do not learn, is it audacity or stupidity? So, what are you going to create as a legacy to your children? What is the legacy that you are going to carry forward and leave behind? Introspect on this and let us see what are the points that are going to show up to make you a finer human being than you already are. There is always a scope for improvement. There is never an end for learning, friends. Thank you for joining me, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love and light.